Hey guys, and welcome to Teki Taka.
So, a couple of weeks back, we had a look at and unboxed the Logitech M190, which is a budget wireless mouse that costs well below 1000 rupees. The video that we are talking about is available in the description below and also in the top right corner of your screen. In the video, we had a glance at the features that it offers and had a look at the build quality. Overall, it did prove to be a great purchase for 1000 rupees. But we did promise you that we'll be sharing our experience with the M190 over the last 2 weeks and how it held up in the various scenarios that we put it up in. This is exactly what we'll have a look at in this video. First up, we did a little DPI sensitivity testing to check if the mouse actually had a resolution of 1000 dpi as mentioned in the Logitech website. We used the DPI analyzer on the mousesensitivity.com and we did get consistent DPI scores in the range of 950 to 1050 as expected. If you want to test the DPI on your mouse as well, do check out the link in the description below. Next, moving on to the performance of the mouse, we did subject it to scenarios that we had mentioned in the previous video. Editing and script writing were a breeze thanks to the large size of the mouse. Combined with the ergonomic design, it allows for longer sessions of use without any discomfort. The grooves also houses the fingers really well, and this experience is available for both left and right handers as the design is ambidextrous. We also tried gaming with the mouse, where we tested it out on Valorant, which is a popular first-person shooter game available for PC, and it held up very well. There were no lags or jitters that you might expect from a budget wireless mouse, and the ergonomic design really helps too. Another advantage of buying this mouse is that a fraction of the plastic used in the design is actually recycled plastic, which does help the environment. If you're someone who doesn't care about the color of the mouse, we suggest you to go for the charcoal one because it includes 61% recycled material in its design, while the others have only a 31% composition of the same. Something about the mouse that irked me off quite a bit was how it was a dirt magnet. Even after just a single day's use, quite a significant amount of dirt accumulated on the sides of the mouse, possibly due to the grooves. They do come off easily though, just with a good scrape, so that shouldn't be a deal breaker. Another problem that I had noticed was that the USB dongle that attaches itself to the laptop or PC juts out quite a lot, which does dampen the portability of the laptop, making me live in a constant fear of breaking it. But at this price point, you definitely can't complain about it. Overall, the M190 is a great wireless mouse under 1000 rupees. And if you're someone with large hands, this definitely might be the mouse for you if you're under a tight budget. If you're someone with smaller hands though, the M185 or the M171 should do you good. If you like the video, do consider sharing it and subscribing to our channel. Until next time, peace out.